Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. My name's Daniel, and I wanted to share with you today the damage I did to my Autotrail Tribute. I've done a couple of little accidents. The first one was in the car park, and unfortunately the second one, going to the workshop to get it repaired. Bit of a rush in the morning. I backed out of the driveway and backed into a neighbour's car very slowly. I mean, there was no damage to the car. It's just a very tight turning space we have here. Sometimes when there's a lot of cars parked, and it's the first time we've ever done it. Lived here for 23 years. Just one of those things that happens. And there was no damage to his car, but there was a little bit of damage to my motorhome. So because basically the back is just so wafer thin fiberglass. But I'll show you now. I'll turn around this camera and show you the damage, what happened, even though I've had it fixed now, and tell you how much it cost, so you can maybe judge if you had a bit of damage yourself, what it's going to cost you. Okay, so I'll turn around the camera now. So a while ago I had the rear lights repaired. That was on that first accident, and I had a couple of scrapes down here and here where it take little bits out the panel. Also had a split here and a split in this panel here. So you've got one panel, two panels need to be repaired. When I backed up and hit the other car in the driveway, I broke this here, was all split. This here, a chip come out of here. I mean, you can't see it now, but the repair job is just superb. At the garage, they said plastic welding. It's Colour Works in Newquay, by the way. The guy's named Nick, is the owner, and I mean, they've done a superb job. I'll tell you how much it was in a minute. You may think it was too much, you may think it was a bargain. You can let me know. But I mean, there's one little chip there. Look, maybe, I don't know, no, a little bit dirt, a little bit nick out there. But that's on that panel. But yeah, it was a little, they built up all this because this chipped out, so we had to take this panel off as well. So you've got one panel, two panels, and then that panel down there. So 3 panels all in all. And it took them 15.5 hours, they said. And the bill was £1,000. £1,000 plus VAT. And I mean, it looks like new. I mean, it's better than new, really. As you can see, you know, there's no damage to that. You can see they plastic welded it. They told me it was okay to plastic weld, whatever that means. I'm not an expert, but it was a good thing they could plastic weld. So hopefully, if you've got a damage to your motorhome, because this is just wafer thin, all this, I suppose, because they don't want weight. They actually fixed the bracket down there as well. It was loose from the first accident. You can see how thin this is. These Autotrails. I mean, it's like paper, but it's done now. £1,200 with the VAT. So that's, hope that helps, guys. Maybe you've got a bit of a damage to your motorhome. This is maybe a bit of a guide to what's going to cost you. Cost me over £1,000 for a couple of little scrapes. But Colour Works in Newquay done a great job. So you live in Cornwall, obviously we're here in the UK, and you need some panel work doing, I'd recommend Colour Works down in Newquay. Okay guys, please subscribe to the channel, and look forward to our next video, what should be hopefully in a couple of weeks. We've been busy at the moment, living and working in Newquay, so we haven't done much, but hopefully we should get out in perhaps a week's time, maybe a bit less, maybe go down to Ayr or Grivian Farm. We do like down there, and I'll do another video from there. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and have a great day, and please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. Thanks, cheers.